Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a Bolzano handbag subscription to open for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so first, get comfy, right? So first it comes in this plain sack. I pay $33.95 and it gets me the bag and accessories. There is one where you can buy just the bag or bag, accessories, and beauty. So I will put the information for each of those down below. But I've been doing this for a little while. I don't know, maybe a year. Okay, so this is how it comes. It comes in a dust bag, which is wonderful. So you can have a dust bag for every bag that you get. So we will untie. Always challenge. Okay, so there is the little tie. And we will see what the bag looks. Well, let's see. In the bottom are my accessories. And here is my bag. So that is pretty. This is navy in color. It does have, let's see, these are two little side pockets with zippers. And then the back of it has a zipper here. So zipper, it looks like silver hardware. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can see it. Here is the little crossbody strap. Oh, and then I guess you can do it as a satchel also. So that's the short one. Okay, it's got some packing material in it. Okay, so inside the part that doesn't have the zipper across it, if you open up this, it's a big compartment with two side pockets on the side here for like your phone or lipstick. There is a zippered pocket inside in the middle between the two. And then there is another big pocket and it has a zipper inside for your, unmentionables or whatever you want to keep in there, your meds, your keys even, I don't know. So this has two pockets with a zip pocket in between. There are two side pockets on one side, and then there is a zip pocket on one side. On the back of this bag is another working zipper pocket. That's actually, I have a different bag that's kind of like this, but it's not the same. I put my keys in that one. And this one, I like the idea of this. You have pockets here. So on both sides, and then they have a zipper on them. But I love to put like a small water in there, tissues in there, things that you're gonna need, a baby's pacifier in there. You know what I mean? All of that. So I'm gonna put this, I wanna try this. I'm gonna put this little satchel clip on it. I wear a lot of crossbody bags, but it's nice sometimes to not have a crossbody. So you can also carry it like this. That is really pretty. Oh, and on the bottom, as always, there are feet. So that your bag does not sit on the floor. I really like that one. That's cute. Let's see what I got. Okay, so there's the crossbody. We're going to put that back in the bag. If I'm shopping, I'm sure I would be using the crossbody. I do that a lot when I shop. Okay, so we're going to open up. Okay, we're going to open up the accessory pouch. And then we'll find out what the name of that bag is. So it comes in a cute little dust bag pouch. I've been keeping all those little pouches. It's good to put presents in for people. Okay, let's see. Y'all will have to like stop it and pause it to see what this bag is called. I will put the information below, the colors, all that. I'll put that below. So in here, I have a little bag. I love their jewelry. Secret tip, there is a set of jewelry in the giveaway. It looks like there's 2 pair of earrings and then a necklace. Oh, it looks like hearts. Okay. Try to get this so you guys can see it. Okay, tell me if you, I'm hoping you guys can see this. So there's 2 pair of earrings, which are super cute. I love stud earrings. I love big earrings too. I just love earrings. And then there's a necklace that goes with it. That's really cute. Okay, so that's a full set. So it looks like I got a matching keychain. It's the same leather feel. It's got 2 snaps on the front. Then you open it up. So actually you can put quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put 6 keys in here. So that's really cute. It matches your bag. And then you just put your keys in there and snap this together. And goes into, and here's a hook also, so it can hook onto the outside. Like, let's see. Here, with this little clip, you can hook it together. And then you have somewhere to put your keys. So that is cute. I really like that. Okay, so I got this beautiful little bag that can be a satchel or a crossbody. Has 2 pockets, 1 on each end with a zipper pocket. And then it opens to put maybe a water or something in there. I honestly think you can put you might be able to put a water in there. It has a zipper on the back. It is a double pocket with a zip pocket in the middle. There's a zipper pocket inside on one wall, and on the other wall there are 2 pockets for, say, your cell phone, lipstick, things that you want to get to easily. It looks like it is silver hardware, and it zips across the top. Also has the feet on the bottom. And then I also received the matching keychain, which holds 6 keys or more, I guess, if you want to put more on there. And it snaps closed. So this matches perfectly to this bag. And then I did receive the earrings and the necklace. Those are super cute. I love silver jewelry too. And then you got a little card that tells us more about the bag. So let me check it out. Okay, so the bag is called the Antonio bag. It is PETA certified, made from vegan leather. The retail value on this purse is $165, so $165, and I paid $33.95 for the bag and accessories. Okay, it does come in 3 colors, which are navy, walnut, and rose. I received the navy color. As I said earlier, it has the shoulder strap and it has the crossbody strap. Multiple organizational pockets, 2 open exterior pockets, and 2 zipper pockets on those open pockets with another zipper pocket on the other side. I will try and put this in there so you can see it better. So I think that was a good deal. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. To my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. For those of you who are not subscribed, my name is Lorrie, as I told you earlier. This channel, it has travel videos, beauty, health, makeup, lifestyle, and everything in between. Also, I am legally blind, so I have created this channel to try and show you my life as a visually impaired person. You will start to see more videos come out about how I live my life and what I do differently than you do. So, like I said, though, we are all the same. We just do things a little bit differently. So again, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Check out my other videos. There's playlists coming up at the end of this video. See if you like it. If you do, subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications, and like my video. As you guys push like on the video, it helps to push my video out to more subscribers or non-subscribers so that I am able to grow my channel. I have made over 100 on my subscribers. I'm excited. I didn't think that was going to happen until December. So I have a giveaway, which will be coming out probably next weekend. All U.S. residents can enter to win. I will give you the directions in the video when I post. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.